Hey everybody! So you should have your already drawn apple and a bunch of color pencils. This is a 24 set, but like a 12 works too. Whatever you have is totally fine. This is just to get the idea and just to practice the skill. So don't worry if you don't have the right color. It's okay. I'm going to pull out some colors that we're definitely going to be needing. This red, just a basic, bright red. There's this like orangey red, white, a smidge of yellow. And to darken, we're going to use complements. If you have a perfect red, you need your perfect normal green as well. You don't want the dark green, not yet. Maybe a dark brown. Those are the colors we'll be using. So, before we get started, let's actually draw the highlights that we see. It'll help us figure out where to put them and where not to really color. I'm going to also, if you notice, it gets a little lighter at the bottom here. Just going to mark that so I know where to start and stop. Because sometimes when I color, I kind of lose track of things a little bit. So blocking in helps me. Make sure you have it so you barely see it. Like this is even probably still too light, but I'm going to keep it this way so you can see it. So the first thing I like to do is I like to go really light with the dark colors first and also do the undertones. Is this ringing a bell from our flowers? So undertones. I'm seeing some yellow and some orange in here. Orange is closer to red. It won't change things as much. So I'm going to start by doing that. I'm going to color as if I'm doing like an HB tone. And if you notice, I'm bending barely, but I'm kind of shading with the form as I go too. The bottom here has a lot of orange. It's lighter here, it's more intense here. So I'm going to press a little harder here, lighten it up over here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of green in the dark areas. That'll help naturally darken the red when I add that red on top. And if I press too hard with the green on my first layer, I should be able to layer up enough red to cover up that green tone. But remember, green is a complement. It's really gonna change your colors up. So do it sparingly and lightly. You can always add another layer later. I also noticed yellow in this area, so I'm going to really hit it home with the yellow as well. And now I'm ready to add some of my actual red for the red apple. We did these undertones, so it changes the color of the red as we add it. So if you notice, my red is actually a lot naturally darker here than there. This apple, there's little bits of true red, but it's really darker or lighter. So you have your basic red color and you have some undertones. This is a great first layer, and that's all we're doing today. You don't need to take a picture for me until we're done at the very end. If you want, you can submit a picture in the assignment. Just send it, and if you want me to critique it, I'll assume you want me to critique it if you submit a photo. So just start with this first layer, and we're going to build this up the next day. All right, good luck.